Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. I have something I want to show you guys. This is like not my guilty pleasure. Sorry, there is this YouTuber that I watch that, anyway, her name is, I should just drop it to, it's like 9.4 thousand views. Oh my gosh, I feel so hard. Jojo. So her name is Jojo. She is, I don't know, like, I don't know which one she is, if she's Japanese, Chinese, I don't know, but this is her YouTube channel. She does camping videos, bruh. So because I've been doing so much makeup, so much vlogging, I'm like, I need a break. So as I told you guys, people who I used to watch on YouTube for vlogs, I don't watch them anymore. Like your fave, believe me, I don't watch them. Whoever you're going to list in the description, in the comments, if you're going to, I'm gonna not watch them because I don't want to watch those type of videos. Those type of videos puts me in the frame of mind of shit. My content has to look like this, or else I'm not gonna get views. And then it comes down to me not having a vehicle, me having children, me not living on my own, me not having air conditioning, like all these little things that I see that they don't have, and I'm like, that's why they're successful. None of these girls got kids. None of them got children, isn't it? So I'm like, babe, just focus on you. Take the beam from your eye. Focus on you. Where you want to deal with. And that's the vibe of my content. So I even went back yesterday to see if I could watch one of them that I used to watch. That I don't like her. I just don't like her. I just don't like her. I've said this before. Like when I watch her video, she's so effing fake. It annoys me. It gets me. She's that type of person who posts, hey, it's my birthday today, I'm so grateful to be alive. Like, I hate those people. And if you're one of those people, I side eye you every time, because every single year you're gonna post, I'm grateful to be alive again. So but the other days then, when it wasn't your birthday, you never grateful them time there, or because you want to know say birthday, because you want the attention, but yet still when me post video, me want attention. I'm just a say, take the beam out of your eye before you can see the speck in somebody else's own. Meaning, focus on yourself. So when you focus on yourself, everything is goodly. When you focus on yourself, everything is a match. So I've been watching her. And recently I've been going back to Netflix, isn't it? I haven't watched Netflix in months. So I've been going back to Netflix. And I started watching Black Mirror again. Some episodes I missed out, so I'm back on my episode. I'm up to season 5 now. With that, and what else I'm doing? Yeah. Oh, today I'm double poming again. Oh. But I'm double poming with the two of them. Poming, and where's the other one? Poming. So I'm doubling those because day before yesterday I had milk. Now my body has changed a lot because I know I'm lactose intolerant, right? I know I can't manage milk, but it has never affected me for days on end. I am swole when I'm bloated. I'm thinking of having my drinking my TLC, which I think I'm gonna be doing, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. That's what I think about doing, because even though that bloats me as well, so I can't drink the tea anymore. I just want to take it to just have that pass through my system. So for the next couple of days, I have to just be drinking water and flushing that out of my system. I'm never doing that again, so I can't drink milk. It really screwed me up. And then I got this too big dirty stinking bump, you know, and I recognized it was after the milk. I'm like, shit, maybe that's like linked to my acne, isn't it? So something weird is happening to my body, you guys. Can I say here? So I got back on that date, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. is so weak. Yeah, so I'm watching Black Mirror and I'm on season 5. Yeah, season 5, and I'm watching the Smithereens one. It's really unfair that he's blaming the owner of Smithereens for that. You wash your face properly? Good job. Who wash it for you? Wash it or Jonathan help you? Me. You wash it all by yourself?
Yes, fast.
Fast? Oh, you're amazing.
Thank you.
Baby.
Mama have a clock right there.
Oh, yeah, that's when it fell. Remember the drop? Come, open your eyes.
Oh.
When you were at the zoo, you fell. And another time, but I don't remember the other time.
What time?
I think I fell twice at the zoo. Oh, yes, he kept on falling. I was like, Jelly, how come you're falling so much? And it's your birthday, remember?
What time?
Yeah, 2 times. Aye! You cry like that. It's aye. Aye! You said that too. It's aye. Yes, you did say that too. Yes, you didn't say, you remember? That is what it is. That is what it is. Hey.
That's what Mama said.
Nothing? You brush your teeth? It's too loud.
Mommy doesn't say I told me.
Let me tell you. Jonathan.
Me though.
Show them me pull me. Show them me pull me now, Jonathan.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Jonathan, come here. Yeah, take it off. Yes, me hear you. You take it off, you wicked. Sit down, right? So I'm gonna do it for you. Sit down on my bed. I'm gonna do it for you. Oh yeah, that look cute here. Me say, Mama. So now the man, him and because of the app, make him and him need to fix it. No, it's not.
A few moments later.
I buy one new bleaching soap. I buy eyeball. So it says contains avocado seed powder to accelerate the elimination of dead cells and to combat pigmentary blemishes. Not only does it deep cleans the epidermis, but also lightens your complex iron. Complex iron and leaves your skin like leaves from the tree. Leaves your skin smooth, even, and radiant. Daily use, preferably before applying Idole lightning care. But the Idole lightning care, I'm gonna have the Idole this, just a soap. And this is what the soap looks like. So this I'm gonna start using for my face immediately. And I'm gonna use it like this. And then get my little scrubber thingy and then work it in my face. So let's go.
Bye, Bubbles. I love you. Mom, listen to the pie?
No, it's okay. Listen, if you watch your face, you're not drawing it dirty. Soap supposed to left on the perimeter, and then you go so wash it out with the hand water. You're supposed to. I said your face now wash. You never did that drawn, did you? Your good is still dirty. You never get no sepia after you wash it? No, your good don't wash it. I don't know if I'm not wash my face, I get sepia because I'm drawn. Dead girl. Woo! I love my skin looks. You see this? Kill me dead. This is cancerous. I'm sorry. I know it's not what y'all want to hear. But bro, this lump thing has been here forever. And I don't know what it is. And it disfigures my face. I don't, maybe it's a cyst or something cool like what Dr. Pimple Papa have on her channel. Whatever, but it works. So this is a natural oil. So I would say get you a really good turmeric oil. Yeah, so But if you get yourself a good turmeric oil, it'll work wonders for your skin and your complexion. It's so nice and soft. This is the part of the vlog that makes me want to tell you guys exactly what's happening in my effing life so that I can just get a fucking break. Because I feel like when I talk, people just back up, yeah? But I'm not gonna do it. All I'm saying is...
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
What's advertised? See, you're being swindled. I agree with you, but I just like to sit back and watch the show. It's a damn good show they putting on.
Hey, it's back.
Hold on. This dude's been banned. There you go. This woman impersonator's been banned from the White House. Yeah. I mean, you should have seen this coming. But 4 lips on it. Yeah. You know how the bottom lip usually is the biggest lip? He looked like he had 2 bottom lips on his face. Yeah. Ain't no in hell. I don't like being pricked. I'm being bamboozled over here. Oh. Not good. But anyway,
2? Yeah. Wow, I didn't know.
2 whole minutes.
2 whole minutes?
Every day.
Every day?
So while you're brushing, make sure you don't forget any spots. When you brush in circles, it helps remove